Welcome back. Today we're gonna buy this truck. So yeah, here we go. Bam. I'm gonna paint it. Extra $500. Frick that, no. So here we go. We're gonna go draw this. We're gonna go to free hunt. We're just gonna go to toxic level 1. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This is video 2 compared to the one I just made. Last spawn. Yeah, we're gonna spawn right in the middle. We're going to test this truck out for 5 minutes. Not engine equipped. Oh, how fast is it? But we're gonna spend 5 minutes looking for gold, cause I need gold. Yo, this thing's cool, bro. I want to see if I can get any air. Like, holy crap, this thing is absolutely ripping. I kind of want to see if I can climb up a rock. I want to just... bulletproof, too. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go chase a deer over here. This thing moves, holy crap. Is it fast enough to catch up the deers? Holy crap, this thing is catching them. Talk about torturing wildlife. See, when you hit an animal, the funny part is if you hit them, you can't collect them. And you give it a minute, they just slowly fade away. But I just outran a deer. That was fun. I don't think this can catch air. I drove through that. I wish they would like make it where you can drive through them too and collect it instead of having to get out of your vehicle. I love this thing. I'm fully upgrading this car. Like, I don't even have to upgrade it and I think like, so we absolutely ripping, boys. We are ripping this thing. We flying. We kind of catch some air. But here's some more. We're gonna go torture. Can't run faster than me, boy. This thing can outrun the animals. Is it easy just to push? It is. Good, so if I ever get it stuck, gone. But we're gonna go back, return to farm, and we're gonna see what we can do to this. Let's see. Upgrade. 2,000. 3,000. Buy gold. Nah, I'm good. Let's see. Change. Look, I have every vehicle. Now. Paint. Yeah, I think I'll paint it white or black. Black. Maybe blue, green, red. I think I like the light blue of the green. I think I'll go green. But help me get some money to upgrade this car. But yeah, I have every vehicle now. But thank you guys for watching. And that was just a little tutorial on what I got.